Today, our explainer is locking onto a seriously fast-moving target in the tech world. We are looking at CASBOT. They're one of China's most rapidly expanding startups, and we are going to explore exactly how they are aggressively pushing the boundaries of humanoid robotics. Okay, get this. They were officially registered under the legal name Beijing Zhongke Wheeling Robot Technology in August of 2023. This entity barely even existed on paper a short time ago, and yet they have already skyrocketed past 1,000 employees. And we're not just talking about a massive sales team here. This workforce is heavily distributed across hardcore engineering, dedicated research, physical manufacturing, and highly complex operations. You just don't scale a hardware and AI team to that magnitude that fast unless you're mobilizing for immediate, large-scale industrial impact. Leading the charge is Chairman Dr. Zhang Zhengtao. Now, Dr. Zhang isn't just your standard executive. He is a deeply credentialed robotics researcher with a doctorate from the prestigious Chinese Academy of Sciences. But what makes his profile so crucial for CASBOT is his specific background. He has spent years deep in the trenches working directly on industrial vision, intelligent robotics, and AI-powered automation. He brings this highly practical, execution-focused perspective that perfectly bridges the gap between theoretical research and actual gritty factory floors. And that practical mindset clearly trickles down to the founding team, perfectly slicing across 5 critical domains: robotics, artificial intelligence, computer vision, motion control, and smart manufacturing. You know, you simply cannot build a successful humanoid robot without mastering every single one of these pieces. Now, whenever we talk about automation, the elephant in the room is always job loss, right? The whole replacing humans fear. But CASBOT's actual guiding philosophy is completely different. It's all about collaborating with humans. Their stated mission is simple but profound. They want to use intelligent robotics to unlock human potential, not sideline it. Their design philosophy is fundamentally built around human-machine collaboration, creating tools that work alongside us rather than instead of us. To operate safely alongside people, they rely on a very specific tech stack. Step 1 is computer vision. The robot absolutely has to accurately see and understand its surroundings. Step 2 is autonomous navigation. It must figure out how to move through that space without bumping into humans or machinery. Step 3 is whole-body motion planning. Think of this as balance, coordinating the entire humanoid form to move naturally and efficiently. And finally, Step 4 is dexterous manipulation, which is the incredibly complex task of using robotic hands to interact with objects, tools, and materials with real precision. And when it comes to practical deployments, CASBOT isn't just chasing parlor tricks for social media. They are developing next-generation humanoid robots for smart manufacturing through industrial automation, scientific research via laboratory operations, logistics to boost supply chain efficiency, and future services for broad commercial deployment. The key takeaway here: they want these robots out of flashy laboratories and directly into the messy real-world environments where practical work actually gets done. You know, geography is a massive competitive advantage for a fast-scaling hardware startup. CASBOT is headquartered in Zhongguancun Dongxing Technology Park, located in the Haidian district of Beijing. This isn't just an address for them. It is one of China's absolute premier innovation hubs. When you are building cutting-edge hardware and software at the same time, being physically located right in the epicenter of technological development drastically reduces friction when scaling operations. Operating from Beijing gives CASBOT an undeniable strategic moat. They get direct access to leading universities to recruit top-tier talent, proximity to premier AI laboratories for collaborative research, tight connections to vital semiconductor suppliers, which is absolutely crucial for hardware timelines, and direct alignment with government-backed robotics initiatives. Because of this incredible ecosystem integration, CASBOT has naturally attracted very strong attention from major investors who see the compounding value of this environment. CASBOT's ultimate belief is summarized perfectly in this quote: "Embodied AI will become a fundamental part of modern industry, improving productivity and safety." Their vision is one where intelligent machines are ubiquitous across manufacturing, logistics, and laboratories worldwide. They do not see humanoid robots as a novelty. They see them as the next foundational layer of industrial infrastructure, literally as essential to a factory as electricity or the internet. So, I want to leave you with this provocative question to really think about. How is human-machine collaboration going to change your own industry? Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer today. Keep learning, keep analyzing, and I'll see you next time as we continue to unpack the cutting edge of technology.